Introducing the BCN3D Epsilon Series, the new standard in professional 3D printing, designed for your workbench or factory and providing industrial power for a seamless daily operation. The Epsilon W50 3D printer features a massive build volume, engineered to fabricate large complex parts with solid mechanical properties. The new Epsilon W27 offers the same high performance with a compressed build volume. Both 3D printers count on a fully enclosed chamber keeping internal temperature controlled, where it can reach up to 60 degrees Celsius, and their heated bed can reach up to 120 degrees Celsius. These features allow you to print with our wide range of industrial-grade materials developed by BASF and Mitsubishi Chemical, including glass and carbon-filled filaments for the most demanding applications. Of course, both 3D printers count on our pioneering IDEX technology, a disruptive independent dual extrusion system, which prevents cross-contamination when combining two different materials and allows for printing modes like duplication and mirror, doubling productivity at the same cost. The BCN3D Epsilon Series includes unparalleled safety features, like a HEPA filter and a carbon filter, which prevent the release of potentially harmful particles and fumes into the air. The smart cabinet integrates seamlessly with your Epsilon printers, maximizing their uptime. Its filament humidity control boosts your material's performance, protecting the filament and reducing print failure due to moisture, significantly improving your print's quality. And its uninterruptible power supply protects your work at all times, avoiding the risk of losing your print job due to power outages. Last but not least, you can manage your 3D printers, send print jobs, and stay informed about their operation wherever you are with the BCN3D Cloud. The BCN3D Epsilon Series offers powerful technology and world-class reliability, engineered to offer a scalable production solution and unlock maximum productivity for your business. Designed to perform so you can focus on what matters most: innovating.